Performance reviews are vital because they foster open communication between managers and employees. They highlight both achievements and areas for growth and bring alignment to each individual around organizational goals. Performance reviews boost both employee engagement and motivation, and these reviews are key to continuous learning and career development. And so, because these performance reviews are so important, it's crucial that you get them right. Hello, my name is David Thurmer, and I've been working as an executive coach and leadership consultant for the past 17 years. And I'm here today on this mini course to teach you how to have performance reviews that motivate. In our little mini course together, we will learn how to transform your performance reviews from dreaded evaluations to motivating conversations that will drive employee growth, development, and ultimately satisfaction. Through this series together, we will look at how to have performance reviews that genuinely motivate the individual, encourage personal and professional growth, and lay the groundwork for continuous improvement. Get ready to have your perspective on performance reviews changed forever. Let's begin.